Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to talk around common asks and themes, especially from my friends and family, about where they started an important document, don't save it, and then lose everything they've just done. So within Windows 10 for Creators Update came a new feature called Files on Demand, and that works in conjunction with OneDrive for Business. So the first thing we're going to do is put this turned on. So if we right click on the OneDrive icon and we go to Settings, and then the Settings tab again, make sure this is ticked where it says Save Space and Download Files as you use them, and that'll turn the feature on. And when we go across then into our OneDrive, you'll see that there's kind of a bunch of green ticks and then kind of opaque ticks, which means where the files are saved. So if there's a little cloud, then you still have access to the document. We can simply click on that and it'll download it automatically for us. Or if we want to make sure that that file is saved on this machine all the time, then literally we can right click and then hit always keep on this device. Or if we decide that we don't need that no more, then we can hit the clear space icon. Another thing I wanted to show you was around the facility where if you have ransomware on your machine and all of this changes have been made to all of your files, is how you restore that back. So we're empowering end users to be able to do that as well. I've opened up OneDrive within just a web browser today. If I click on the little cog here and then go to restore your OneDrive, you can actually set a specific kind of date about when you want to go back to see those certain files. We have a history then of all the files and what changes have been made when, and then I can decide what period I want all of that to be restored. So if you think of ransomware, making changes to all of your files, you can very, very easily then gain all of your information back. But what happens if there's one particular file that I want to be able to kind of revert changes back? So we can do this quite easily. So if I go in and actually pick this document here, if you click on the little ellipsis icon, we can go down to version history, and by default, all the major versions for that file are kind of saved within here. So I can simply click on the modification date here, and it will open up that version of the file. And lastly, just some key takeaways. Make sure that you're storing all of your documents within there. They're going to be safe, they're going to be backed up, and they're going to be available anywhere securely for you to access as well. Until next time, thank you.